I love cooking chicken recipes because they always turn out amazing and mouth-watering. So in this recipe, we're going to be making peri peri chicken quarters, which are going to turn out a little bit spicy, tender, and so juicy. Also, I'm going to be making some stir-fried rice recipe, which is going to turn out colorful and amazing. To make this peri peri chicken, you'll need 3 chicken quarters. You can double up or even triple the recipe to make some more peri peri chicken. Wash and clean your chicken. Mine is already clean, so I'm going to use a sharp knife and make deep cuts in the chicken. Making these cuts is going to let the marinade soak into the chicken, so I'll make around 4. Transfer to my bowl. Pick the next chicken quarter and slice. Place in your bowl. Then next we're going to be adding in a few seasonings. So I have paprika and black pepper, a teaspoon of the peri peri seasoning, 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 3 cloves of garlic, which is grated. Massage in the marinade into the chicken, making sure you place the marinade in between the slits that you made. Flip your chicken and make sure the other side is well marinated. And yum, after adding in the garlic, everything is smelling so good. Garlic works wonders. And once you're done, this is how your chicken is going to be looking. Yeah, this is going to turn out so delicious. So you're going to marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes. And if you have time, place it in the fridge and marinate overnight, and you'll have the best results. When your chicken is well marinated, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'm going to pick a cast iron pan because I'm going to be roasting my chicken in the oven. You can also use a stainless pan. Pick my chicken and lay it in the cast iron pan. And if you have doubled up or even tripled up the recipe, use a bigger pan which can accommodate all the chicken in a single layer. Once done, you're going to be roasting your chicken or baking your chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. In between, you're going to flip the chicken so that the other side can roast. My oven is ready and I'm ready to make my delicious peri peri chicken. Now, I'm also going to be making some stir-fried rice with some leftover rice that I have over here to serve with my peri peri chicken. So you'll need some carrots, zucchini, onion, and cooking oil, black pepper, and salt. The recipe is that simple. So I'm going to pick a small pan for making my stir-fried rice. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and over medium flame, you're going to wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil is hot. Add in your onions, carrots, zucchini, black pepper, and salt. Toss all the ingredients together and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes over medium-low flame. So what will happen is the carrots are going to soften up together with the zucchini, and the onions are going to soften up. The black pepper is going to add in a very nice taste, which I love. If you have never tried adding in black pepper to your food, you should try, because the pepper is mild and very delicious with a very nice earthly taste. After 1 minute, the veggies will have softened up, so you're going to add in your leftover rice, breaking any lumps. And as the carrots are cooking, they're going to release a very nice orange hue, which is going to absorb in the rice, and the rice is going to be looking so delicious. So you're going to use your spatula, stir in the rice as you break any lumps that you come across. Cook your rice for around 3 to 4 minutes, and if you notice that the rice is burning, reduce the flames to low so that the rice can fully heat up. This is how I always make my rice whenever I have some leftover rice in the fridge, and it's never boring because the flavors are just amazing and make the rice so delicious. And also the rice is very colorful. Just look at this. My peri peri chicken quarters are ready, so I'm going to preheat my rice just a little bit because it has been around 20 minutes while the rice was resting on the countertop. Take out my chicken because I'm ready to serve. Wow, gorgeous. I'm going to pick a kitchen brush and baste the chicken with the delicious juices in the pan, and this is going to add in some glossy look to the chicken and also lots of flavor. When your peri peri chicken is well basted with the chicken juices and the seasoning, it's time to serve. So I'm going to pick some tongs and transfer the chicken to my plate. Yum, it looks so good. Adding my stir fry rice, which is also looking so gorgeous. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you peri peri chicken, which is tender, flavorful, and so juicy. Stir fry rice, which is perfectly cooked and well seasoned. So this is a lunch or dinner idea that you can whip up in a matter of 50 minutes, and the recipe is effortless, as you have seen, and the outcome is mouth-watering. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a